we will add 2-digit numbers, right? So we will write a unit on the top of 5, and the place value of 9 is tens, and for 58, 8 is the unit number, and 5 is the tens number. Okay, so how you gonna solve it? So number will 58 add 5. You will not do 8 at 5 and then carrying and then 5 at 9. Okay, so what will Namar do? Namar will take these 2 digits, 58 add 5, right? So come on, so 8 at 5, 8 at 5 what? 13. So it's mean what is the next number ending with 3 after 58?
63.
Write 63 here, please. Okay, so now we have solved 58 add 5. So we will cut these numbers, right? So what left? 9 tens, right? So Namar will write add here. And 9 tens means 9 times 10. So what would you write here?
90.
90. Write 90, please. Is equal to. Now what we have got here? So we got unit tens, unit tens. Okay, so look here, we got 90 here, and this is 60. So 60 at 90 makes
60, 90.
Yeah, 60 at 90. 6 at 9.
6 and 9.
So 9 got 1 dot. So number will go. So the 6 will go back.
15.
So 6 at 9, 15. So we got tens. It did 6 and 9 in the tens column. So 60 at 90 makes
60 and 90 makes
150.
150.
So write 150. So we will cut this 9 tens and 6 tens. So 150. What left? 3 unit left. Okay. So 150 add
3.
Right, add 3 is equal to. So 150 add 3 is equal to. That's your answer. Good point. Now next, 92 add 38. Okay, so Namar will add 92 add 8 first. So come and write. So what is the answer? 92 add 8. You know that 2 got 2 dots, 8 got 2 dots. Okay, so it means that the 2-digit numbers having the same dots, they make 10. So 92 add 8 makes
10.
92 add 8. I'm not saying 2 add 8. 92 add 8 makes
98.
92 add 8 makes 100. Write 100, please. Add. Okay, so we solved 92 add 8. So what left? 3 tens. So 3 tens, 3 times 10 is equal to
30. That makes 130.
Good boy. So 100 add 30 is equal to, right, 130. Good boy. Next, 46 add 67. So what would we do? 46 add 67 here. Okay, so 6 add 7.
6 and 7.
Yeah, so 6, 3, 7 got 3 dots. 6, 5, 4, 3.
13.
30. So what is the next number ending with 3 after 46?
53.
53, right? 53 here, please. 53. So we solved 46 and 7. So what left? 6 tens. So 6 tens makes 60, right? 60. Okay, so yeah, good boy. So we got tens here, and this is unit, right? So 5 tens and 6 tens makes. So 50 at 60 makes.
50 at 60 makes.
So 5 at 6.
11.
11. So 50 at 60.
So 50 at 60.
Yeah, 50 at 60 is equal to
160.
No, 160. 110. Right, 110. Okay, so what did we solve? 6 tens and 5 tens. What left? 3 unit. Add 3. So it's a 0 unit we are not writing here. So 100 add 110 add 3 is equal to 113. 13. Good boy. Wait, please. Okay. So Namar beta, the next question, 19 add 33. Okay, so what would we do? There is, okay, so 19 add 3. So 19 and 3?
22.
Good boy. Write 22 here, please. Okay, so Namer solved 19, add 3. So we will cancel this 3 and we will cancel 19. What left?
3.
3. No, don't say just 3. It's a 3 tens. So 22 add
30.
3 tens means?
30.
Write 30, please. Is equal to, good boy. Now we got 22 add 30. Okay, so Namer 22 add 3 tens. So what's the answer? We are not going to do 3 tens add 2 tens. You can simply do 22 add 3 tens. We can take the whole number. Okay, so come on, tell mommy. 22 add 3 tens?
52 tens.
Good boy. Come on, write 52. That's the answer, 52. So we finish the whole sentence. Okay, now next beta, 26 add 86. So what is 26 add 6?
26 at 6. 32.
Write 32, please.
We
No matter, better write it, do fast. 32. Okay, so we will cancel 26, we will cancel 6, and what left? Okay, 32. Namer will write add
8 tens.
Yeah, so 8 tens, how you gonna write? 8 times 10 is equal to what? 80. What is this? Right, 80, not just don't just do 8 tens like that. Okay, so 8 times 10, 80. So 32 add 80. Now 32 add 80. So 32 add 8 tens. Come and tell mommy what's the answer.
32 at 8 tens.
Yeah, I'm not saying you 3 add I'm not saying do 30 add 80 first and then we're gonna add 2 units. If I say to you do 32 add 8 tens, so what gonna be answer? So come on, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, then 102,
102
and 112. So 112 is your answer. Good boy. So this is another way to solve it. Okay, so next is 77 add 18. So now look here, this is very interesting question. So we got unit, tens, unit, tens. Before I was saying to you that you can take this whole number and you can take the unit of this number, but now if I say to you we do 77 add 110, then what gonna be answer? 77 add 110?
87.
Right, good boy. So we will write 87 then because it will make our question easy. So we solved 77 add 110. So we cancel that one.
8.
And what left? So don't forget your plus sign. Plus, so 8 unit. 8 unit means 8 times 1 is 8. So 87 add 8. You can do that now. You know that 87 add 8. So no man knows what is 8 add 7. So 7, 6, 5. So what is the next number ending with 5 after 87? Good boy. 95 is your answer. Next beta, 88 add 86. So we will do 88 add 6. What's the answer?
88 at 86.
So we got 6, 5, 4. So 8 add 6 makes 14. So what is the next number after 88 ending with 4?
Ending with 4. 94.
94. Come on, write please. So 94, and now we cancel this and what left? 8 10. So 8 tens mean
80.
Good boy. 80. Okay, so now Namer, look, we got 94 and 8 tens here. 94 and 80. So how we can make it more easy? We will do just 9 and 8 tens. We will add tens together. So first tell mommy, 9 and 8 makes?
9 and 8.
9 and 8, quickly, fast.
Quick. 9 and 8.
Okay, so 9 and 8 makes?
17.
17. But this is the tens column. So 90 and 80 makes?
90 and 80 makes?
Come on, be fast. 90 add 80. 9 add 8 makes 17. So 90 add 80.
90 add 80. 170.
Good boy. Write 170. Okay, so we will cut this 8 and this. What left? 170 add 4 unit. Okay, so now you know the answer. 170 add 4 makes. What's the answer?
174.
174. Good boy. See, that's so easy. Okay, 96 add 94. So no matter what would matter, 96 add 4. So 96 add 4 makes
100.
100. Write 100, please. Okay, so we will cancel that one. And what is the place value of this 9?
Place value of this 9?
Yeah.
Tens.
Tens. So what will no matter, right? Add 9 times 10.
That makes 190.
Just write 90 first. And now write the total. 190. Good boy. Okay, next beta, we got 49 add 69. Okay, so if what you wanna do here? Okay, 49 add 9. So what's the answer, beta? 49 add 9.
9.
So 9 add 9.
56.
9 add 9.
18.
18. So what is the next number ending with 8 after 49?
58.
Write 58, please. 58. So we solve 49 and 9. And what left? 6 tens. So add 60. So now no matter will do 58 at 6 tens. 60 means 6 tens. So 58 at 6 tens. Come on. So we got 68, 78, 88, 98 and
198. Wait, did we pass it?
what passed?
The 6.
50. Okay, no matter, you're not gonna do like that. Okay, so what is 5 at 6?
5 at 6 with 11.
11. So but we are doing tens column. So 50 at 60 makes
50 at 60
is equal to 50 at 60.
50 at 60 makes
Okay, look, 5 at 6 makes 11. Write 11.
11.
So 50 at 60 will make this 11. So we are doing tens column. So 5 at 6 makes 11. So 50 at 60 will make this number
110.
exactly. So no matter, we'll write 0, 1, 1 0 at the end. So 110, right? So we solve this and this. What left? Add 8. Good boy. Is equal to 100 add 10 add 8 is equal to.
Oh.
Come on. It's okay. So what's the answer?
18.
118. Good boy. Okay, next 34 add 87. So 34 add 7.
41.
Right, please. How do you write 4? Write 4, please. You said 41, so write 41. Okay, so cut 34 and cut 7. Cut out 7. Okay, so what left? 8 tens. So 41 add?
8.
Not 8, it's 8 tens.
80.
80. Okay, so now we got 4 tens and we got 8 tens here. Okay, so 4 add 8?
4 add 8? 12.
12. So 40 at 80?
40 at 80? 112.
No, again 112. Okay, no matter beta. 4 at 8 makes?
12.
Right, 12. Okay, so for now we are solving tens column. So 40 at 80 makes. So what will happen to this 12 number then? 40 at 80 will make this number?
110.
Not 10, beta.
120.
120. No matter, will add 0. So 40 add 80 means 120. Add. Okay, so cut the 4 and cut the 8. What left?
1 left.
1. So write 1, please. So 120 at 1 is equal to?
121.
Okay, beta. Now we have 51 add 81. So 51 add 1.
52.
Write 52, please.
Add.
Add what left? Cut this out. What left? 51 add 1 makes 52. And what left?
8. 8 tens.
Yeah.
It's 80.
80. Okay, now solve it. So we got 5 tens here and 8 tens here. So 5 at 8?
5 at 8?
Hmm.
5, 13.
13. So, but what we have here? 50 add 80.
Yes.
So what would we write here then? 50 add 80?
So 50 at 80 makes?
Hanji, 50 add 80. 5 add 8, it's 13. So 50 add 80?
130.
Good boy, right? 130. Okay, so we will cut out 8 and 5. What left?
2.
2. Good boy. So 130 plus 2?
132.
Good boy, Nomer. Okay, next. 69 at 96. Okay, so we can do 69 at 6. So what's the answer?
75.
Well done, Mera beta. 75. We will cut out 6 and 69. And what left?
9 left. 90.
9 tens left, not 9 left, okay? 90, 75 at 90. Good boy. So now we got 9 tens and 7 tens. So 90 at 70?
90 at 70.
Yeah, you know that 9 got 1 dot. So this 7 will become 6. So 9 at 7, 16. So 90. Good boy. 160. So we will cut out 9 tens, 7 tens. What left?
5.
5.
160
plus
5.
5. So what's the answer?
Wait, what?
160 plus 5. Okay, no, beta, you should use pencil. So 160 plus 5 is equal to?
165.
Good boy, Nomer. Okay, next 26 add 16. So 26.
Well,
Okay, what we can do, 26 add 110.
Yeah, but that's so easy.
Okay, beta, 26 add 110.
26 at 110.
Hmm?
36.
Well done. So come and write 36 first and then we cut out 8. Cut out. So we cut this one and cut this 26. What left? 6 unit. So 36 at 6, you know that one.
42.
Well done, Mera beta. Good boy, Nomer. Good boy. Thank you, beta. Where is Creeper? Where is Creeper? Ganda. I don't know what do you like in it. Anyway, thank you.